What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and yeah, like, period, this hair, what can I say? It speaks for itself. Like, I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video, you knew what it was before you even watched the video. You feel me? This hair, bomb as fuck. Okay. So, I do have a video on some ginger hair that I already had, but it wasn't a bob, and I'll make sure that I link that below. It was like a full lace wig. This is more of a T-part wig. Was it a full lace wig? Hold on, child. I might be lying to y'all. I don't know. Yeah, like I already have a video on, you know, another ginger wig that I had reviewed, but this one is a bob, and literally it's a glueless install that I had did. Super easy. I did not bleach the knots. I did pluck, but it was just literally like minor plucking, like not even nothing OD. I went on ahead and cut her up a little bit just to give her some shape. I feel like, I don't know, curly bobs that are just like blunt, they like throw me off. So yeah, I did give her some shape. But y'all, before we get into the video, I need y'all to go on ahead, like, comment, or subscribe, whatever. Do it now. I'll wait. Takes 2 seconds. Okay, boom, you did it. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into this hair. So it is a ginger bob. It's a T-part wig. I believe it's 12 inches. It's super cute. It gives you a body-eye child. I'm loving these curls, and all I did was put a little bit of wrapping foam in them, and that was it. Like, damn, I didn't expect it to look this good. My mom says I look like Carrot Top. Yes, I look like Carrot Top. So that's the plus side of this video. But besides that, I did show y'all how I do my eyebrows, how I color my eyebrows. And this is the same method that I use for any curly unit. Not any curly unit, but any colored unit. There you go. Anything that has color to it, this is how I do my brows. It just might be a different color, but it's still the same method. Also, I tried a new thing. You feel me? I tried a new situation. I am getting lash extensions tomorrow, which I'm super hype about. So I figure, why not just play with some little extra lash strips that I had and try to, you know, give them the same color as the wig. And it came out pretty nice. So I'm not tripping about it. Like, you guys, all the products that I use will be listed down below. I didn't use no lace glue, nothing like that. Like, I literally put this joint on, and yeah, I kept it moving. Oh, also, I wanted to show you guys my new tattoo, which was super hard to do my baby hairs right here, because I didn't want to fuck up my tattoo. Look, no glue, just lay down, okay? But yeah, this is my new tattoo. Y'all can see, yes, my face is yatted. Your face is yatted. It says Josiah, which is my son's name. For those of you who don't know, make sure y'all go on ahead and check out my birth and delivery vlog. That's up now. Y'all get a little glimpse of me being in pain and yeah, all that good shit. Honestly, okay, because in the video you'll see it wet, which is like, but now that it's dry and it's like big and it's getting there, it's so fucking nice. Like, what? It's giving very much Carrot Top, but it's come through Carrot Top. You guys, if y'all want all the deets to this wig and you're subscribed to my channel, then keep watching. I tried to give y'all as much information as I possibly could. And let's just get into the fact that this is an Amazon wig. Yeah, Amazon wig. Excuse me, an Amazon wig, okay? Y'all, don't sleep on Amazon, because you can really get some good hair. This hair, so far so good. It's not like a big tangle, shedding a mess. The curls are super bomb, and they're so soft. Like, I wish I could touch and play with my hair right now, because it's like pillow soft. And I'm surprised, because all I used was my wrapping foam. Like, there's no crunch to it, nothing. Like, okay, all right, I see you coming through. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look and got this a glueless install, then keep watching the video. I'm done talking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Alright, so jumping right into the video, y'all. I don't even know if I'm saying this hair company correct or not. I can't even find them on IG or nothing. Like, nada, mama. I believe I'm saying it Cenhiee. Girl, just go in the description and get all the details to this wig. It's a T-part wig. It's a bob wig that's 12 inches. And this is what the curls look like fresh out the bag. Like, literally, it does come with, I believe, 3 combs. No. It comes with 4 combs. It comes with 4 combs, T-part wig. So, you know, you don't get that much lace. But I did go on ahead and pluck it a little bit, just to make sure, you know, everything looked nice and seamless. But after plucking it, this is me trying the wig on, just basically lining everything up for my ear tabs, for me to cut my ear tabs off. Now, I was trying to be real careful with that style, y'all, because that tattoo hurts still a little bit. But, yeah, once I get everything, like, you know, nicely lined up, I cut my ear tabs off, and it's actually time to really apply this wig. Alright, y'all remember when I told you I didn't bleach the knots on this wig? I'm taking my Nars foundation and this NYX foundation. I will have it in the description box of the shades that I'm using and everything like that. Although it doesn't matter. Just get a foundation that matches your skin texture. I mean, your skin complexion. Your skin texture. What the fuck am I talking about? But anyway, I'm taking these two and I am mixing them because the summertime, my skin just starts to change and shit like that. So mixing these two gets me the correct shade. I'm putting it on the back of my hand. Then I'm taking this like foundation brush and I'm just patting that on and I'm placing that directly into the wig, like where the lace is. So this is a T-part wig. It wasn't that much to apply. Not that much lace to actually work with, but I am making sure that I'm applying it directly to the lace just to make sure that when I go on ahead and apply this wig, it matches with my skin texture, okay? Yes, honey. Okay, so I believe this is my Morphe contour and highlight palette. I'll have it in the description box below, but I'm taking these 2 shades right there and I'm mixing both of them because, like I said, my skin complexion in the summer is just like a hot ass mess, child. We gotta actually make shit work. So I'm taking those 2 and I am basically setting that foundation. So the foundation is wet. Me applying this powder is going to dry that foundation and also just make sure that everything blends. Y'all, this is like my 3rd time trying to do this damn voiceover. Jesus Lord. Anyway, this is what the wig looks like after I went on ahead and applied the makeup. It definitely does blend in with my skin. And I'm just trying everything on to make sure that everything is laying correctly. I'm using a clip, pinning it back, measuring it up to my head. Bada boom, bada bang, child. So, unlike any other install, I am taking my baby hairs out prior to laying the wig down. Now, this is a T-part wig, so we really don't even have much on them sides. So you don't want to take out like too much baby hair, just enough that when you lay it down, it looks more natural, okay? I'm taking out the 2 sides and then also the sideburns on the side, which where my tattoo was, I did have to move it up a little bit. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yeah, honestly, this is just because I just got the tattoo done. So the wig will lay better once it's healed. I'm taking my Got To Be Free spray and I'm spraying that completely on the hairline. Now this is good for while you take your baby hairs out prior, because you want to spray behind the baby hair, okay? Or behind the piece that you took out to make your baby hairs. And then I'm just tying that with a scarf and make sure it's extremely tight. If your scalp doesn't feel like it's bleeding, mama, you ain't doing it right. Now, moving on to my eyebrows, I will have everything in the description of what I am using. But boom, I take a little bit of freeze spray and I lay my eyebrows down, you know, with the eyebrow brush. And then I'm taking my concealer, I'm putting that on there. I'm taking my Morphe Bacon Set, and then I'm, you know, making sure that that sets. You don't want your eyebrows to be wet, okay? And because I'm using eyeshadow to do my eyebrows anyway, it's just better to use a powder. I'm taking my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm taking an orange shade and a brown shade and literally just mixing those two. And I am going to use that to actually draw on my eyebrows. So this is completely like as if you had like an eyebrow gel and you were to dry on your eyebrows. Instead, you're using eyeshadow, and you're using a colored eyeshadow at that. So just draw your eyebrows on completely normal as if you would, you know, with an eyebrow gel or an eyebrow pencil, etc. And then it'll be time for us to actually go on ahead and clean it up. So to clean up my brows, I'm taking my Milani Conceal in Perfect. And this is in the shade 123, I believe. I'll have it in the description below. I keep telling you guys, but make sure you guys go on ahead and check out the description because it'll literally give you more insight on this tutorial. So I barely even showed y'all. Like, I wish I would have gave you guys a better view. But yeah, we're using a flat edge brush to actually go on ahead and clean up our eyebrows. This is completely normal as if you were to do your eyebrows regular, but they're just, you know, a little bit orange, a little bit ginger. Like, it's nothing, no, completely different. You can use, you know, a darker concealer, lighter concealer, like whatever look you're going for. For me, I knew that I was going to beat my fades, so I used a lighter concealer, but you can use one that matches your complete skin tone and clean everything up. And yeah. So something that I completely tried new, I am taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a little bit of that NYX foundation, and I'm mixing those two because I felt like the LA Girl Pro Concealer was just a little too dark. So I literally had these extra pair of lashes, and I am putting literally the wet concealer onto the lashes. Now, to get the, you know, the lashes to still be fluffy and flared out, whatever, you want to apply it with a flat brush or a smaller brush. Don't go too ham. You still want your eyelashes to have its shape. Now, that same orange eyeshadow that we use for eyebrows, I'm taking that and I'm applying it completely onto the lashes. Fingers crossed that this turns out right, child, because honestly, I was like kind of skeptical about this whole situation. I've never done colored eyelashes, so this is my first time. So once our face is completely done, I'm taking off my scarf, and it's time to cut our baby hairs. Y'all seen me cut baby hairs before. If you guys didn't watch my last video where I completely went into detail on how I do my baby hairs, go watch that right now. I'll put it in the links below and in the cards above. But I'm just basically cutting, you know, cutting our baby hairs, laying, you know, exactly how I want them to lay. Now I'm gonna take my Gorilla Snot, not Gorilla Glue, my Gorilla Snot gel, which looks like this, okay? And we're gonna apply that to our baby hairs, lay them down, and I'm taking my edge tamer brush, using the comb side, which that's my holy grail. I live by that. And boom, I'm going to lay it down. Now, mind you, I only laid this wig down with Got to Be Freeze spray. So be very careful and generous when you are laying your baby hairs down. You don't want to lift your wig up, okay, child? But as this side with my tattoo, I did move the baby hair just up a little bit because I don't want to lay it on my tattoo. My tattoo is still fresh. So if it looks kind of funny, weird looking, I apologize. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. Honestly, the lashes even came out bomb, okay? But like I had said, the hair wet, it's still nice. Like, you know, it ain't that bad. But the hair dry, that's something different right there in my mind. Like, that's like a complete different look. The curls are super bomb. I will have everything in the description box below for this hair company. And this is an Amazon wig, so it's super affordable. and it'll come ASAP. Like, it's bomb. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button so y'all don't miss any of my videos. I'm done rambling. I'm out of here, y'all. See y'all in my next video.